Hey little yogis, so happy you're here. Smile big and have fun. Let's move, stretch, and feel strong and happy. Grab your mat, take a big breath. Let's go. Cow. Can you drop your belly and look up like a cow? Eagle. Can you wrap your arms and balance like an eagle? Good job. Good job. Penguin. Walk with small steps like a penguin. Monkey. Jump side to side like a monkey. Seal. Can you push your chest up and look forward like a seal? Good job! Snake stretch. Can you slide low and lift your chest like a snake? Butterfly. Sit and flap your legs like wings. Rabbit. Curl down like a little rabbit. Dolphin. Arms down and lift your hips up. Starfish. Can you lie down and stretch wide like a starfish? Reverse triangle. Can you twist your body and reach up high? Mountain. Stand tall and stay still. Tree. Balance on one leg like a tree. Table. Hands and knees, keep your back flat. Pyramid. Can you bend forward and stretch your leg like a pyramid? Diamond. Can you sit still like a shining diamond? Good job. Half moon. Balance and open your body. Good job. Triangle. Stretch down and reach up. Chair. Bend your knees like sitting. Seated bend. Can you sit and reach for your toes? Good job! Warrior 2. Can you stand strong with your arms wide like a warrior? Warrior 3. Lean forward and balance. Airplane. Stretch arms out like flying. One leg. Stand on one leg and hold. Crane. Can you balance on your hands like a crane? Tree variation. Can you balance tall and steady like a strong tree? Good job. Heel lift. Stand on your toes and hold. Robot. Move stiff like a robot. Superhero. Stand strong, hands on hips. Cloud. Can you move softly like a floating cloud? Moon. Can you reach up and curve your arms like the moon? Star hold. Hold still, don't move. Smile. Stand tall and give a big, happy smile. Good job.